In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add a YouTube video on your Shopify product. So let's get started right away. So let's say this is a product of mine. So I'm just gonna put in a name real quick. And all you basically have to do is go to YouTube, select any video you want. So let's say this one, for example. From then on, what you want to do is click on share. And then click on embed and click on copy right there. So now you have copied this, and then all you have to do is click on insert video right there and paste in the link we've just copied, the embedded link. Click on insert video, and as you can see, we have now added a YouTube video onto our product. So yeah, if this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.